Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily improve your trust factor inside of CSGO. So the first tip I would say is to not grief or throw matches in competitive. Obviously if you're shooting your teammates in the head and leaving matches early in the middle of the game, it's going to show Valve that you're not really that positive with the community in CSGO, and they will simply drop your trust factor because of that. Now another thing that will cause it to get dropped is getting no kick from matches. If Valve's AI can see you're constantly getting kicked from matches, it's going to tell them that you're not a positive player to have playing their game, and they're simply just going to lower your score because of that. And the next point is pretty obvious. It is no cheating. Now if you're playing games with people that have cheated before, that have got a back ban, or if you've got a linked account that's got a back ban, now this can be really bad for your account, as obviously it's going to tell Valve that you're not to be trusted. Now one thing that can actually help you improve your trust score is playing Overwatch a couple of times a day. Now, if you've just done this 1 or 2 times every single day and you play CSGO every day, this will significantly raise your trust score, and it will show Valve that you're actually going out of your way to spend time helping the CSGO community. Now, another thing for playing every day is you want to play some competitive every single day, and as I said in the first point, you want to make sure you're not doing any of them things. You want to make sure you're just being a positive player. If Valve can see that you're playing multiple games and you're not causing any trouble, then obviously they're going to raise up your trust score and you're going to be a lot more trusted because of it. Now another way to get your trust score up is to actually have a high Steam account level, and also if you've been playing for a long time, that will help also. Because if Steam can see that you've had an account for 5 years and you've got a high level, it shows that you invest a lot of time into games and you're probably less likely to cheat because of that. Now you can also link your phone number to your Steam account. If you verify your account, that shows Steam that you're actually linking some of your personal details to your actual account. So your trust score will go up because of this. And the final way to increase your trust factor in CSGO is to actually have a high value inventory. Now if Valve and Steam can see that you've got tens of thousands of skins in your account, your trust score is going to be higher because of that. Because they instinctively think that you will be a better player because of that. Obviously if you have an account worth $10,000 and you're just playing CSGO and cheating, then you're going to get back banned and you're going to lose it all. Now, if you spend a lot of money on your skins, they're going to assume that you're trusted because obviously your inventory holds a lot of value and most people are going to be willing to risk that just to cheat on a game. So those are my tips to improve your trust factor in CSGO. I hope this video has helped you. If it did, please comment down below that it helped and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.